Hi everyone, today I would like to give you a quick hands-on with the Mi Watch Lite, or in this case actually the Redmi branded version of the watch, which is the China version. However, they are very similar, and Xiaomi have released that end of last year, beginning of this year, and retails for around 40 to 50 euros, so super affordable. And let's see what it's offering for that price. Very long battery life, you can see here 93% battery. I've charged that a couple of days ago. Heart rate monitoring, step tracking as usual. Here is how you reach the quick menu, and here is how you reach your notifications, and then you reach the main menu by pressing the actually only button you have to reach. Takes you here. Here you can see it has this is the China version. It has Alipay. In the global version you won't have that. Here is, I think, it's the menu where most of you will be interested in, which is workout, and you can see also it has heart rate monitoring, and yeah, your sleep monitoring, your usual fitness stuff, nothing advanced. But I really like the design, how compact and lightweight it is, plus the great battery life that seems to be offering. Also, I wanted to give you a quick look of the new updated Xiaomi Wear app, which connects to that, and that they have really overhauled the design. It looks much more modern. You can see that it's tracking my sleep, heart rate, energy, stress levels, standing time. VO2 max, I don't think that watch is monitoring that, so that's why that's empty. Yeah, let me know what you think of this watch in the comments. Ask any questions, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content that is always coming to that section.